You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today, we're talking about packing for California to Japan move and how to decide what belongs with you, what may go by air, and what should go in the main sea shipment. The easiest way to reduce stress is to divide belongings into 3 groups. First, the items that travel with you. Keep passports, medications, vital records, valuables you are personally carrying, immediate clothing, and anything you cannot replace quickly. These items should not depend on freight timing. Second, the small essentials shipment. Air freight can be helpful for limited items that materially improve your first weeks in Japan. Think carefully about what you will actually need before your main shipment arrives. The goal is not to ship a second household by air. It's to bridge the gap between arrival and delivery. And third, the main sea shipment. This is where furniture, larger household goods, books, decorative items, and the majority of your belongings usually go. Sea freight is often the practical method because it accommodates volume. A professional survey helps make these categories realistic. It identifies your shipment size, fragile belongings, furniture, electronics, artwork, and specialty pieces. It also helps determine whether a full container or shared container solution is more suitable. Packing quality does matter. International shipments go through multiple stages of handling. Professional packing, proper materials, and custom crating for suitable items can provide added protection. Make sure your inventory is clear and accurate, especially for high volume or specialty belongings. Japan's customs process also deserves early attention. Required documents and procedures can vary based on the importer's status and the shipment. A clean inventory and early document review are important parts of avoiding avoidable delays. Custom authorities will make the final decisions. Before delivery, confirm the final address and access. Apartment rules, service elevators, delivery scheduling, narrow streets, and parking. These will all matter. Pack according to when you need the item, not just where it fits. Carry essentials, use air freight selectively, and let the main sea shipment move the household. SDC International Shipping coordinates California to Japan household moves with packing, freight planning, specialty handling, insurance options, and storage. Call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.